Hi, welcome to each and everyone for my YouTube channel Akshata Shetty Commerce Lectures. I hope all are doing well, and today's video is going to be about UGC NET and kset examination paper 2 subject commerce. Let us discuss 10 important questions. First question: Dash is a work plan prepared the World Bank every 2 or 3 years, which consists of country-wise customized plans and operations of the World Bank in the upcoming years. There are 4 options: commencement and assistance strategy, customized assessment strategy, country assistance strategy, commencement and assessment strategy. An action plan is developed by the World Bank known as a country assistance strategy or CAS, which described what kind of support and how much could be provided to the country. In country assistance strategy was developed in consultation with the government and other stakeholders and support the government's own national development plans. So, country assistance strategy is a work plan prepared by the World Bank every 2 or 3 years, which consists of country-wise customized plans and operations of the World Bank in the upcoming years. So, option C is the right answer. Next, come to second question. Tactics is a part of which function of management? Planning, staffing, directing, controlling. Tactics are the detailed means by which a strategy is carried out. Tactical plans define what specific functional areas of a business must do in the short term to ensure that strategic are achieved. So, tactics is a part of planning function of the management. Option A is the right answer. Next, come to third question. Paper currency was first developed by which of the following country? Germany, Japan, USA, China. A paper currency was first developed in a Tang dynasty in the China during the 7th century. So option D is the right answer. Next, come to fourth question. Which of the following is not a determinant of Porter's national competitive advantage theory? Local market resources and capabilities, local market promotion and distribution system, local suppliers and complementary industries, local firm characteristics. The Porter's theory was stated that a nation's competitiveness in an industry depends upon the capacity of the industry to innovate and upgrade. To explain this theory, Porter's identified 4 determinants that he linked together. The 4 determinants are: first is local market resources and capabilities, and local market demand and conditions, local suppliers and complementary industries, local firm characteristics. But the local market promotion and distribution system are not the determinants of the Porter's national competitive theory. So option B is the right answer. Next, come to fifth question. The acknowledgement of online submission of income tax return is ITRV, Form 26AS, ITR 3, ITR 6. Online submitting the ITR form, an acknowledgement of number is generated. In case the return is submitted using the digital signature, the assessee has preserved this number. If the return is submitted without a digital signature, the ITR is generated and is sent to the registered email ID of the assessee. So, ITRV is a acknowledgement of online submission for the income tax return. Option A is the right answer. Next, come to sixth question. Cardingham 50-50 joint venture was started by which of the following companies? Microsoft and General Electric, BMW and Brilliance Auto Group, Google and Galaxo, SmithKline, Ford and Toyota. In 2012, Microsoft and General Electric was created a joint venture named as Cardingham, aimed at using the data to improve the healthcare quality and patient experience. It was formed as a 50-50 venture that is started its life with 750 employees. So, Cardingham 50-50 joint venture was started by Microsoft and General Electric company for the healthcare quality and patient experience. Option A is the right answer. Next, come to seventh question. Which of the following characteristics of personal selling is valuable, efficient tool in building long-term relationship with the customers? Cultivation, personal form, flexibility, direct feedback. The right answer is cultivation. Cultivation helps in building a relationship. It is a valuable and the efficient tool in building a long-term relationship with the customers. It is possible for the seller to use a personal interaction with the buyers to cultivate the relationship and building a goodwill for the company. So, the personal selling involves immediate and face-to-face interaction between the seller and the buyer. So, cultivation is a valuable, efficient tool in building a long-term relationship with the customers. Option A is the right answer. Next, come to 8th question. According to Maslow hierarchy of needs, which kind of needs are satisfied internally? Basic order needs, high order needs, low order needs, middle order needs. According to Maslow hierarchy of needs, there are two types of needs, lower level needs and which are satisfied externally. These include physical and safety needs. Second is the higher order needs which are satisfied internally. These includes social, esteem and self-actualization needs. The question is that which needs are satisfied internally in the Maslow hierarchy. So, higher order needs are satisfied internally and in the Maslow's hierarchy theory. So, option B is the right answer. Next, come to 9th question. One difference between perfect and monopolistic competition is that a perfectly competitive industry has fewer firms. Monopolistic competition has barriers to entry. Firms in monopolistic competition face a downward sloping demand curve. In perfect competition, firms produce slightly differentiated products. Here the one is the difference between perfect and monopolistic competition. The firms in the monopolistic competition face a downward sloping demand curve. On the other hand, perfect competition, the firm faces a horizontal demand curve. So all the other that is A and B and C are incorrect about the difference between the perfect and monopolistic competition. But the right answer is firms in monopolistic competition face a downward sloping demand curve, and in the perfect competition it is a horizontal demand curve. So option C is the right answer. Next come to 10th question. Match the following type of questions: direct relationship, inverse relationship, maximum or minimum relationship, unrelated relationship. First is direct relationship. Direct relationship is a positive relationship, means when two variables move in the same direction, they are said to be positively related, and that is curve is slow upward. So for A, 3 is the right answer. Next is inverse relationship. Inverse relationship means when two variables are more in the opposite direction, they are said to be negatively related, and that is the curve slopes downward. So option B for A is the right answer. Next is maximum or minimum relationship. The curve in the maximum or minimum relationship changes after reaching the maximum or minimum point. So option 4 is the right answer. Next is unrelated relationship. Unrelated relationship is either a vertical straight line or a horizontal straight line. Option 2 is the right answer. In the options, option D is the right answer for A3, B1, C4 and D2. Okay guys, this is for today. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will meet again with the another topic. Till stay safe, stay happy.